Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have another exciting project to show you. We have to shampoo cleaning the carpet. But first of all, let me walk you through on what needs to be cleaned. So as you can see, the carpet is very dirty and there are some stains in the carpet. So we have to shampoo cleaning the carpet. If you are new to our channel, we provide property maintenance and gardening services contents. So you can consider checking our channel, the content of our channel, and also consider subscribing to our channel and also hit the notification button so you won't miss any of our new videos. But for this project we have to shampoo cleaning the carpet. As you can see, it's very dirty. So with no further ado, let's get started for this project. So this is the shampoo we will be using to clean the carpet. I don't know if you can see the specification of the carpet there. It's mentioned that it's suitable for all carpets and is odor neutralizing and is super concentrated and also help to prevent stains. So this is the shampoo you will be using for this project today. So guys, thanks for watching the video. The project is coming to its end. It was a nice project that we enjoyed doing. I hope you enjoy watching it. It was a nice cleaning project, carpet cleaning project. I hope you enjoy watching it. As I mentioned in the introduction of this project, we cover property maintenance and gardening services contents. So if you haven't subscribed yet, you can consider subscribing to our channel so you won't miss any of our new videos. You can also hit the notification button, and alternatively you can check our channel, the content of our channel, so you can watch the video that may interest you. You can also share the video with those who are interested with what we do. So thanks again for watching the video, and see you for the next project. Thanks. Bye.